to another video. So what I will be doing today, I will be showing you my dogs. All my dogs. So my light's on this time. It's not so dark. You don't need to see this though. The walls aren't fully dark. Now you're about to get dark again. So this is one of my dogs. Right here, this is one of my dogs. His name's Bailey. He's bad. He's very bad. And this is my other one. And this is Chance. Chance is the good boy.
This is the bad boy.
And that's
This is bad boy.
He's bad.
Him's bad. Him's bad. Don't get on his face. Them ears. Look at them ears.
Yeah, and this is my other one. Him's calm.
Good boy.
Good boy. Good boy. Oh, good boy. Two kisses. Yeah. Bailey will give me kisses. Bailey, kisses. Bailey,
You watch you don't fight.
kisses.
Playing.
That good boy.
That boy.
Yep, and that's my dog. And this is my husband. That's my dog. Good. So, again, back upstairs. That door leads to my sister. Playroom, really messy. Grand room, my door. My door. Grand's door. Little crack. My door. Movies. So yeah, let's go in my room real quick. So that's where my dogs are. I don't have dogs yet because we had a pet turtle, but we had to let him free because it came winter time. So we had to let him go free. And yeah. Oh, and if you guys can do that, like pop short out something, that's cool because like some of you guys think it's cool. And some of you guys probably think it's very weird too. So if you're wondering when I just got behind the camera, it's this. Yeah. So short episode. Yet not over yet. And what's my plans for tomorrow? Oh yeah. I got my sister's softball game tomorrow. Yeah, I went with my cousin to school. Went to go help out. Went to go help someone with daycare so I can get paid. Yeah, I got paid like $30. Yeah, just to help with 9 kids. Yeah, just 9 kids. We did Alphabet. We let the older kids. I just broke it. That's so cool. But no, crap. That's not good. This is the only one left, too. Being in the school for a job, but this is out of the it's in the middle of the world. This is the straw. Yeah. Yeah, it came off of there. Just swing it around and it broke. Behind you. It's crunchy. It's yummy. It's so the best thing ever. And somebody ate them. Because I did not eat this. I wasn't even here all weekend. So how did I eat them? Oh yeah, and I know who ate them. It's not a surprise. Everything in my house. I'm not telling you guys because that's just the end. So, So, yeah. Okay. So, bye.